Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm going to show you how to knit the daisy stitch. At the end of this video, I will show you how this stitch looks on my Daisy Maze hat. Here we have a sample of the daisy stitch that I will show you how to do. We'll knit the first stitch to get over to the daisy stitch. You will take the next 3 stitches and knit them as if you're knitting 3 together. Pull your loop through and give it a little slack, but do not remove these 3 stitches. Then you will do your yarn over, and then you will knit back through those 3 stitches and pull the loops to give it some slack, and then drop those 3 stitches off. And we will do it a few times. Knit through the 3 stitches as if to knit 3 together. Pull your loop, yarn over, knit back through, keeping that yarn over here in the middle, wrap around and pull, giving your stitches some slack. Drop those stitches off. Here's the 3. Knit through the 3. Leave them on the needle. Yarn over. Knit through the 3. Drop them off. Again, knit through the 3, yarn over, knit through the 3, drop them off. And that is how you create the daisy stitch. And in my pattern, as you continue, it will turn out like this. In the description below are links to this hat and my other knit designs. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.